Hello, we're going to talk about lesson number 4, which is multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers. Uh, here's the thing. When I am adding and here's the point of confusion. When I am adding and when I am adding, we're only going to worry about adding. Uh, uh, Positive and negative numbers. A negative and a positive, we have the whole idea of, hey, this is a war. Which one has the bigger absolute value? That's the one that's going to give the sum its sign. So the 4 is a little bit bigger. This is money that I'm getting. This is money that I owe. So I have a debt of $3, but then I get $4, so I'm at $1. This one says I have $3, I have a debt of $4, so I have a debt of $1 sum. Okay, so the size of these numbers matters when we're adding and subtracting. It doesn't matter when we're multiplying and dividing. Not at all. When I'm multiplying and dividing, the only thing I need to remember, so remember, there's no operator between these two numbers, so we assume it to be multiplication, okay? I know that 3 times 4 is 12. If there's one negative and one positive, the product, the answer in the multiplication problem, will be negative. One negative, one positive, the answer in the multiplication problem is negative. If both numbers are positive like this, it's positive. And here's the one that can get people. If both factors are negative, it's positive. A negative and a negative, negative times a negative is equal to a positive. A negative times a positive, negative, positive, positive, positive. So if the two factors have the same sign, be it negative or positive, the answer is positive. And look, it doesn't matter. Even though the 4 has a greater absolute value than this negative 3, the product is still negative. If I were to switch it so that the 4 was negative and the 3 was positive, wouldn't matter. Still be negative 12. How do you like that? What are some points to take away? If we have something like this, where I have another factor here that's also negative. So I have a negative, a negative, and a positive. The negative and negative are going to be positive. The positive and the positive are going to make this positive. What else? Division works the same way. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. We don't see this too often, but if we do, 8 divided by negative 2, positive 4. Okay? Try not to overthink it. Just ask yourself, what's the operator? If it's multiplication or division, these rules apply. A positive and a negative give you a negative. If it's addition and subtraction, we have to do the whole party ward thing. All right, this is different. The rules for addition and subtraction are different than the rules of multiplication and division. Okay. So there's not much to explain with these guys. Is there a lot to learn? Yeah, it just takes practice. So do as many of these problems as you can, okay? Okay. I will talk to you later. Bye.